This is Brave Legends. It's my Hoodrick game. It's a 6-player FFA, and we've just hit turn 11, and I finally broke through to 20 stars per turn. And so I'm going to play this back in 3 times speed. So hopefully this only takes a few minutes, because there's not really a lot that happens in these 11 turns, but you're going to see a pretty standard Hoodrick opening, and I apologize for the low quality graphics here. It's turn 1 and turn 2 are both, I didn't know, somehow I turned my graphics down on my recorder. So I stepped out here and I did not find my village, and I make another wrong step here. So I can tell you, I've already stepped past my village. You're going to see that on turn 3. But before we end this turn, it's definitely time to get hunting, so we can double our stars per turn. That's the reason I don't make a second warrior, or a warrior in addition to my initial archer, because I want to be able to get 4 stars per turn on turn 2. And here we are. Our graphics are back. Much better, much easier on the eyes. So yeah, of course, natural progression for Hoodrick. We've got our hunting, and then after that, we're going to get forestry. And we finally found our village. And I was wrong. I didn't step past it. It was just, it's unnaturally far away. Normally you have villages that will share the border, but in this case, both these villages would have to get border expansion just to be able to share a border. So it's 2 tiles farther away than it normally would be. I see some fire down there in the clouds. I know that's Vinger. I think he's picking on Barter over there. So lots of trees on this part of the map. Vinger and Barter. And Lux gets a fair amount of trees too. So there's a Luxador tree there. Yeah, no, I haven't met Barter or Vinger yet. I just know, since I've already played up to 10 or 11, I just know that's who's over there. So yeah, before I captured my second village, something I do quite often with Hoodrick, I'll get mathematics. So mathematics on about turn 5, and that just means now it's time to start popping giants, which I find out quickly there's not really much need for. I know there's 2 other opponents on my continent, but I mean they're a country mile, or yeah, they're a country mile away pretty much. So that second village there, I don't need to pop a giant because it's already looking like, I don't have anybody quite near me. Luxador could still be over there on the left, but chances of that happening are dwindling now as I see that water tile. But he could still be over there. That could just be a pond. I'm just betting on him not being there. And here's Social Toast. That is our Vinger champion. He has vanquished, I'm pretty sure he's vanquished Barter at this time. You can see the Barter trees over there. So yeah, I don't even get to meet Barter before he dies, which is unfortunate. I would have liked to get some tech or some stars from him. So I can tell based on that deep water tile there that this landmass probably narrows. That's my guess. It's just a guess. There could be a corridor there leading to other land, or even over there on the north where that crop is. That could be a corridor also, a thin one. I mean, the potential is always there. I'm just betting right now that that's not the case. So yeah, I got a rider in Vinger's walled city there, but he's got a 20 health. 20 health swordsman that, yeah, he wasn't too worried. He's probably not too worried about me still. So yeah, I think now is when because I see that fire in the clouds. Now's where when I start thinking, well, I gotta start meeting my other opponents. I mean, I already missed Barter. Look, he's dead down there. I already missed meeting Barter. And you got fire in the clouds. Somebody else is going to be killed soon. So I'm planning on an explorer after I get navigation. So yeah, I've also moved my warrior. I've got a kind of a rogue warrior going kind of to the north east there, and that's just to look for ruins. I don't think I find any, at least not by turn 11. And the fire in the clouds didn't really lead me anywhere except for to meet Luxador, so I'm wondering who he was fighting up there. I do find out Ellie Ryan's in this game, or Ellie. Yep, there's Ellie's territory, but I don't know who the 6th tribe is yet. That's a mystery still. Hopefully I can, hopefully he starts peeking or moving some units into Luxador's territory there. So Luxador just killed a unit, but I couldn't see it before it died. I think I missed the replay. And if a unit moves into your vision and is immediately killed by another opponent before it gives you tech, even if I would have seen what tribe it was, I still would not have met it, and it would not be on my scoreboard because it was killed too fast. See, that's pretty much it. It's turn 11. We broke 20 stars per turn, just barely. And we're getting ready to fight Venger. So Venger, you're up.